Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Here's the recipe for you. 2 pounds of ground beef. I like to also use venison and ground pork mixed together. 1 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. 1/8 teaspoon mustard seed. I like to crush this. I don't like it full round seed. 3 tablespoons of tender quick curing salt. 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Freshly ground is best. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Roll into a small log shape and cover with aluminum foil. Refrigerate overnight. When ready to bake, take it out of the refrigerator and poke a couple holes in the bottom of the log and place on a cookie sheet in the oven. Bake at 325 for 90 minutes in your oven, and you're going to want a small pan of water underneath in the oven for steam. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.